Hello, everyone. Long time no see. Today, let's learn how to make this floral pearl hair tie. I'll also teach you how to read some simple crochet charts along the way. Let's get started. We're using Susan's Family South African Soft Mohair yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and one hair tie. First, using double strands held together, wrap the hair tie and work a round of single crochets. Chain 1. Go over the hair tie. This chain doesn't count as a stitch. Work single crochets around the hair tie. Any multiple of 8 works. I made 64 single crochets here. Complete and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Check the chart. We're skipping the first 3 rounds. In round 4, single crochet replaces the original stitch. Now we'll work the 5th round. For round 5, chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, then chain 2, work a double crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, and that's where you start repeating. We repeat this pattern 8 times total. Here, I'll only demonstrate one group. We're going to follow the pattern from this round, and evenly divide the single crochets from the previous round into 4 sections. Chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet, continue with 2 chains. In the same stitch, work a double crochet. Then chain 4. Skip 2 stitches. Work a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, work a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches. Now we reach the repeat position. 1 double crochet, 2 chains. 1 double crochet. Finish this round, then join with a slip stitch to the beginning chain. From now on, we'll always close each round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 6, chain 3 to begin, then chain 2, work a double crochet in the 2 chain space from the previous round, chain 4, work 7 double crochets in the middle space. Then chain 4, and now we reach the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space, chain 3 as your first double crochet, and then chain 2. Continue with 1 double crochet. Chain 4. Work 7 double crochets in the space between 2 single crochets. This space. After completing, chain 4. In the space between 2 double crochets, work 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet. This forms one group. We need to repeat this 8 times. Close the round with a slip stitch into the beginning chain. We do this every round. After this, I'll skip the join and go straight to the next round. Round 7, working 2 double crochets in the 2 chain space, chain 2, 2 double crochets, then chain 2, and work double crochet and chain 1 into each double crochet. Chain 2. Now we've reached the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space. Make 3 chains as the first double crochet, yarn over. Double crochet. Chain 2. Continue working 2 double crochets. Chain 2. Work double crochets corresponding one stitch to another, separating each double crochet with a chain. Double crochet. Chain. Double crochet. Chain. After completing 7 double crochets, make 2 chains, yarn over. Now we've reached the repeat position. Work 2 double crochets into the space of 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern 8 times in total. Finish with a slip stitch join. Round 8, continue working 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets into the space of 2 chains. Chain 4, work a single crochet into a chain space, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains. This pattern set is repeated 5 times here. After completing 4 chains, we've reached the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space, chain 3, continue with 1 double crochet, chain 2. Continue working 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 4. Move to a chain space, work 1 single crochet. 3 chains. In the next space, 1 single crochet, 3 chains. Single crochet, 3 chains. We've completed 5 groups. Chain 4. Now we reach the repeat position. Continue working 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the double crochet space. Repeat this 8 times in total. Round 9, work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains in the 2 chain space. For this single crochet pattern, we reduce from 5 groups to 4 groups. Chain 4, now we reach the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space, chain 3 as the first double crochet. Then work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Continue working 2 double crochets in the space. Chain 2. Continue with 2 double crochets. This makes a total of 3 groups. Chain 4. Insert the hook in the 3 chain space of the previous round, and work 1 single crochet. 3 chains. In the next space, 1 single crochet, 3 chains as a pattern set. Reduce to 4 groups. Complete 4 pattern sets. Chain 4. Continue working in the 2 chain space of the previous round, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, repeating this pattern 8 times. Round 10, work in the 2 chain space. 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains. In the next space, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains, reduce to 3 pattern sets at the single crochet position, 4 chains, then reach the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space. Make 3 chains. 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Continue working 2 double crochets. Chain 4. Work 2 double crochets in the next space. Chain 2. 2 double crochets. Chain 4. Single crochet in the 3 chain space. 3 chains. Single crochet. Repeat this pattern 3 times total. After completing chain 4, now you've reached the repeat position. Work a total of 8 groups. Round 11, work 2 double crochets in the 2 chain space, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 8 chains. In the next 2 chain space, work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains, decrease to 2 pattern groups at the single crochet position, 4 chains. Now you've reached the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space. Make 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet, 2 chains. Continue working 2 double crochets in the space. 8 chains. Work 2 double crochets in the next 2 chain space. All work is done in the 2 chain space, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. Chain 4. Make a single crochet in the 3 chain space. Chain 3. Repeat 2 groups. Finish with 4 chains. Now you've reached the repeat position. Work in the 2 chain space. Repeat 8 groups. In the final round, continue working in the 2 chain space, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 5 chains. Make a single crochet in the 8 chain space, a picket with 3 chains. We'll add pearls here, 5 chains, then work in the 2 chain space, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. Chain 4, decrease the single crochet into a group of stitches. On the second chain, make a picket with 3 chains. Continue with 4 chains to reach the repeat position. Slip stitch over to this space, chain 3. Count as the first double crochet, continue with 1 more double crochet. Chain 2. 2 double crochets. Chain 5. Make a single crochet in the 8 chain space, then 2 chains, stretch the loop to add pearls. Prepare a wire. The pearls are 1.4 centimeters in size. Continue with 1 chain. Pick up 2 diagonal strands to make a slip stitch, which forms a picket. Continue to the 5th chain. Yarn over, work 2 double crochets in the 2 chain space. Chain 2. 2 double crochets. Chain 4. Make a single crochet in the 3 chain space. First make 2 chains, then continue with 3 chains. Make a slip stitch in the 2nd chain. Continue with 1 chain, then make a single crochet in the next space, followed by 4 chains. Yarn over, work 1 double crochet in the 2 chain space. This forms one group. Repeat this pattern 8 times, then join with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Chain 1, fasten off the yarn. Use a sewing needle to hide the yarn tail. That's how our hairband is completed. If you have any questions, feel free to discuss in the comments section. Welcome to share your work.